Is your mailbox flag broken? Has the snap failed for the final time? This is a common problem with this type of mailbox flag. Well, the Mailbox Shop has the answer. It's a replacement flag for Gibraltar or Rubbermaid type mailboxes. It has a flexible, solid post with no slit in it. That way it can survive back and forth movements without breaking, and it's easy to snap in and holds the flag in any position. It's designed to fit a 3/8 inch hole, but if yours is smaller, you can drill it up to 3/8 inch. But if it's bigger, the flag won't work. To install the flag, you first have to remove it from the packaging. Just slide it out of the bag, and we're ready to install. Line up the post with the 3/8 inch hole and then press it in place. It may require a little extra force to get it to snap, but once it's snapped in place, it'll hold any position. It installs the same way on both styles of mailbox. Just snap it in place, and you're ready to go. The Mailbox Shop replacement flag is the perfect replacement for your Gibraltar or Rubbermaid mailbox.